How to improve your CIBIL score in 6 months. Are you struggling with a low CIBIL score and worried about getting your loan approved or credit card application accepted? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to improve your CIBIL score in just 6 months. Follow these proven strategies and you'll see a significant improvement in your credit worthiness. First, let's quickly understand what a CIBIL score is. A CIBIL score is a 3-digit number, ranging between 300 and 900, that reflects your credit worthiness. A higher score means you're more likely to get loans or credit cards approved easily. But how is this score calculated? It's based on factors like your repayment history, credit utilization, the types of credit you use, and more. So, if your score is low, here's how you can fix it. Step 1. Pay your EMIs and credit card bills on time, no excuses. Payment history has the biggest impact on your score, contributing up to 35%. Even a single missed payment can lower your score drastically. Set reminders or enable auto debit to ensure you never miss a due date. The second step is to reduce your credit utilization ratio. This means you shouldn't use more than 30% of your total credit limit. For example, if your credit card limit is 1 lakh rupees, try to keep your spending below 30,000 rupees. If your utilization is high, request your bank to increase your credit limit or control your expenses. Third, avoid taking too many loans or credit cards simultaneously. Every time you apply for credit, lenders conduct a hard inquiry, which can lower your score temporarily. Focus on repaying existing debts before applying for new ones. Step 4. Check your CIBIL report regularly for errors. Sometimes, inaccuracies like incorrect personal details, wrong loan entries, or payments not updated can harm your score. Visit the official CIBIL website and dispute any errors you find. It's free and can make a huge difference. The fifth step is to build a healthy credit mix. Lenders prefer individuals who have a mix of secured loans, like home or car loans, and unsecured loans, like personal loans or credit cards. But remember, don't borrow unnecessarily. Only take loans you can repay comfortably. Step 6. Avoid settling your debts. When you settle a loan for less than the total amount owed, it gets marked as settled in your credit report, which can severely hurt your score. Instead, negotiate with your lender for better terms and repay the full amount whenever possible. Once you follow these steps, monitor your score regularly. You can check your CIBIL score online, often for free, through apps or websites. This will help you track your progress and stay motivated. Improving your CIBIL score takes discipline and time, but with consistent efforts, you can achieve a great score within 6 months. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such financial tips. Let's work together towards financial success. See you in the next video.